How to rename a database in cPanel. Log into your cPanel account, you will be on this page. Go to the Databases section and click on the MySQL Databases icon. Scroll down to the table Current Databases. Here you can see all the databases created by you. Click on the Rename button provided in the same row of the database you want to rename. For instance, we want to rename example_WP509, then click on the Rename button. It gives a warning, you may create a backup. I will ignore it and proceed anyway. Now just replace the old name with the new name. cPanel automatically adds a prefix to the name of the database. Now click on the Proceed button. Notice that the database has been renamed with the prefix. Thank you for watching.